everyone. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Fritz. I hope your day is going well so far. Currently 82 degrees, cloudy and windy here in the valley on this Tuesday afternoon. Today, I'm going to taste test the Pocasville Mango Nectar beverage. I bought this 33.8 fluid ounce glass container at a local department store yesterday evening for $2.80. Full disclosure, Burlington is not a sponsor of this video. The store had 3 containers left in stock by the front checkout registers on one of the shelves. If you've tried this, please let me know in the comments what your assessment of it has been. And also, full disclosure, I've had this sitting in my refrigerator overnight, so I'm testing this beverage nice and chilled. And the bottle says shake well before opening, so that's what I'm going to do. And my cup here. Oh, and this particular batch has an expiration date of December 2024. Ooh, nice sweet mango aroma. Cheers, everybody. Clank. Ooh. Nice and sweet. Thick. Has a little bit of pulp in it as well. Ooh. Smooth and thick as well. Good mango aftertaste. Very refreshing. A little bit on the sweeter side compared to other beverages I've had, but not bad. Wow, very soothing on a warm, muggy day like today. Ooh, fresh. This would probably be good in a smoothie. Put this in a blender, maybe add some bananas, maybe some apple slices. Go and spin it up. That'd be like a good breakfast treat. Wow. And I think it's a great value in terms of the cost for the amount of quantity that you're getting. I don't know what it costs at other stores, but at least at the department store, that's a really great deal. Wow, all of that for $2.80. Very convenient. Wow, value for money. That's what I meant to say. This almost reminds me of a cross between the Humex brand mango and the Langer's brand mango nectar. Great deal. Ta-da. High quality, good flavor, fresh. Ooh. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give the mango nectar from Pocasville. I'm going to give this a 9.19. Ooh. Next time I'm at the store, I'll be on the lookout for another container. That's really good. Fresh. It's thick. But if you like pulp in your juice as well, I think you'd like this. I like the taste with the texture, and the pulp just adds another element to it. Oh, smooth. Thanks, everyone. Until next time, applesauce. Have a great rest of your day. I'm a 30-something-year-old fella. Ta-da. So to sum everything up, well packed, great taste, fresh, pulp. Thick mango. There you go. Da 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 da. Hey, yay, yay, yeah. Hey, yay, yeah. I say, hey, what's going on?